Once, Gandhiji visited C.V. Shastri, who got hospitalized. On seeing Gandhiji, Shastri said, "Rama himself has come to see me." Then Gandhiji scolded him thus, "Ah! Shastri, what nonsense are you speaking? Rama is Rama, he is incomparable. He is a gentleman personification. So don't ever compare me with Rama. By chanting the name of Rama, I am purifying myself."